Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of cars to bust some common myths that many people believe. Let's separate fact from fiction. Myth number 1. Premium fuel is always better for your car. This is a common belief among many drivers. Many believe that using premium fuel will improve performance and fuel efficiency. They think it will make their engines run smoother and last longer. But here's the truth. Unless your car specifically requires premium fuel, using it won't make a difference. Your car's manual will tell you if premium fuel is necessary. Most cars run perfectly fine on regular unleaded. Regular fuel meets the needs of the majority of vehicles on the road today, so save your money and stick to what your car really needs. Myth number 2. You need to warm up your car before driving. This is a common belief that many drivers still hold on to, especially during the colder months. While this was true for older cars, modern vehicles are designed to be driven right away. Advances in automotive technology have made it so that engines and fluids reach optimal operating temperatures much faster. In fact, idling can waste fuel and increase emissions. Prolonged idling not only burns more fuel but also contributes to unnecessary wear and tear on your engine. Just start your car and drive gently for the first few minutes. This allows the engine to warm up more efficiently while you're already on your way, saving both time and fuel. Myth number 3. Bigger cars are always safer. While larger vehicles may offer more protection in certain situations, safety depends on many factors, including design, technology, and crash ratings. Always check safety ratings regardless of the size of the vehicle. Myth number 4. You don't need to change your oil until the light comes on. This is a common misconception that can lead to serious engine damage. Waiting for the oil light to come on means you're already running low on oil, which can cause overheating and wear on engine components. This is a dangerous myth. By the time the light comes on, it might be too late to prevent damage. Regular oil changes are crucial for engine health. Fresh oil lubricates the engine, reduces friction, and helps keep the engine cool. Check your owner's manual for the recommended schedule, which is usually based on mileage or time intervals. And don't wait for the warning light. Proactive maintenance can save you from costly repairs and extend the life of your vehicle. Myth number 5. All-wheel drive means you can drive anywhere. While all-wheel drive can improve traction, it doesn't make your car invincible. It's still important to drive carefully and be aware of road conditions.